हाय माय नेम इज़ उमर कुरैशी और आज मेरा मूड बड़ा घनचक्कर है क्योंकि मैं दो घनचक्करों के साथ बैठा हूँ. तो लेट्स सी हाउ घनचक्कर वी कैन गेट टुडे इन दिस लवली वेदर. विद्या बालन एंड इमरान हाशमी, वेलकम.
Thank you so much.
Shukriya.
What about Siddharth attracted you to him most?
The person he is.
You're a bit spicy, na?
So he's saying his inner being, whatever that means.
अंदर का जानवर. The animal
अंदर का
inside.
जानवर.
The animal inside. Unleash the animal.
The one thing you love about him the most.
One thing I love about him
Yeah.
the most,
His inner being.
his inner being. अंदर का जानवर. The one thing I hate about him the most.
What?
His inner being.
अंदर का जानवर. Which film of his is your favorite?
A film in the making. His inner being.
God,
अंदर का जानवर.
come on, what the hell, yeah? Just answer the questions properly.
How is it for Silk to meet Smoocher?
She's already met him 2 years ago.
On this couch.
Right now,
बहुत बढ़िया है जी, हम दूसरे काउच पे भी मिले.
हाँ, दूसरे couch पे ही मिले.
घन चक्कर में.
This is not the only couch we've sat on together.
Yeah.
Quite a few couches.
लेकिन ये पिक्चर का नाम बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, घनचक्कर, और काफ़ी लाइक इंटरेस्ट वैल्यू हुआ है बिकॉज ऑफ द प्रोमोज एंड द ट्रेलर.
जी.
Everyone's talking about it, and of course, as usual, where there's Imran Hashmi and where there's Vidya Balan, there has to be a lot of dirty stuff.
Oh, there's a lot of dirty stuff in this film. We actually had to do away with a lot of stuff.
मैंने तो बहुत गालियाँ दी है इनको.
इनको
उसी से ज्यादा गंदगी होती है ना?
जी जी. गालियों के साथ साथ और भी दिया है आपने, लेकिन हमें सेंसर करना पड़ा सब चीज़ों को.
बहुत थोड़ा आप पिक्चर के बारे में बताइए.
मैं क्या बताऊं जी, कॉमिक थ्रिलर है, कॉमेडी चल रही है, आप हंसते रहेंगे और फंसते रहेंगे हमारे जाल में.
और चक्कर में घूमते रहेंगे.
चक्कर जो है ये बड़ा घना चक्कर है.
बड़ा घना चक्कर है.
हाँ, तो आप बस फंसते रहेंगे, पर फंसने का अलग ही मजा है क्योंकि हंसते हंसते फंस रहे हैं, फंसते फंसते हंस रहे हैं.
You played a Punjabi character in the movie, Neetu, and you played a
Apparently, I've played a Maharashtrian
boy.
con man.
Okay.
But he's lost his memory.
Which I've lost my memory. तो मुझे पता नहीं है कि मैं con man हूँ या महाराष्ट्र में, दोनों पता
No,
नहीं है मुझे.
he's asking कौन man?
Con man. ये इस बात में शक नहीं है कि आदमी है. C-O-N. Actually मुझे शक हुआ था जब मैंने लुक देखा था, क्योंकि एक रेड polka dotted नाइट सूट और चोटी में.
You guys are coming together after the dirty picture. So now how dirty
ये
is this
बड़ी
picture?
अच्छी पिक्चर
अच्छा
है.
सवाल पूछ रहे हैं ये, चुप हो जाओ नहीं तो.
How dirty is this picture?
इन्होंने इस पिक्चर को बहुत डर्टी कर दिया है,
बहुत ही ना.
क्योंकि ये जो पहले तो कपड़े जो पहन रही है इस पिक्चर में, वाहियात कपड़े. जो आप दिखा दो एक सेकंड, क्या लिखा है आपके.
कोई किसी औरत के बारे में ऐसे बोलता है, वो भी अपनी बीवी के बारे में. मैं बहुत
उनका
देखिए,
observation है.
मैं
वाहियात
लिखवा,
कपड़े, वाहियात खाना.
मेरे तो टी शर्ट पे भी लिखा है कि मैं बहुत ग्लैमरस हूँ. आपको नहीं लगता मैं ग्लैमरस हूँ?
Totally from
हैं?
top to bottom जी.
हाँ, टॉप से लेके
Bottom तक.
दिख नहीं रही है
Bottom
दिख नहीं रही है व्हाइट टाइगर.
आपको बड़ी दिक्कत, आपको बड़ी दिक्कत हो रही है. मैं बताऊं, गंदगी तो इनसे है.
हाँ.
ये ना नहाते हैं फिल्म में,
अच्छा.
ना कपड़े धोने को डालते हैं. बस 2 जोड़ी कपड़े हैं इनके,
अच्छा.
वही पहनते रहते हैं. बदबू भी आती है फिल्म में.
A lot of jhol that happens, right?
जी जी.
Yeah, like a lot of
इसीलिए तो उनका नाम पड़ा है झोलू राम.
jholo. So you're constantly looking for like robbing and
I'm not constantly looking at robbing. I have a greedy wife जो मुझे इस चीज में पुश करती
you
है,
have to keep
क्योंकि
trying to
उनको
satisfy her cravings and
satisfy her
desires.
cravings
हाँ,
to see.
35 की उम्र में ये आदमी काम छोड़ के घर पे बैठे हैं. तो वाइफ के लिए थोड़ी ना इजी होगा. मुझे यूरोप जाना है हॉलिडे के लिए.
Yeah.
हाँ?
यूरोप की सैर तो मैं इनको घर पे कराता हूँ ट्रैवल चैनल पर.
Okay.
लेकिन इनको एक्चुअली ये कपड़े जो पहनने हैं,
सठिया गए
इनको
हो.
ये खरीदने के लिए इनको पैसे चाहिए, लेकिन पता नहीं पैसे कहाँ खर्च होते हैं, because she ends up looking like this.
मैं
Tell
घर
me,
चलाती हूँ,
Imran,
तुम नहीं.
what's the most ghanchakkar thing you've done in your life?
Work in this film.
Yeah.
I think Rajkumar is a mad, twisted director, and this is a mad, twisted film. It's funny as hell, and yeah.
It looks crazy.
It looks crazy, and as you can see, craziness. There's the epitome of craziness here, sitting next to me and
Some
counting
of it
money.
is spilled onto the couch.
Yeah, it's the red is bleeding into the couch because the color runs.
Okay.
Because it's a cheap outfit.
ये बहुत खुश हैं. हाँ. ये क्या के लिए?
क्या ये रिव्यू के लिए पैसे दे रही है इनको फिल्म के लिए? बिकाऊ नहीं है ये, बिकाऊ क्रिटिक नहीं है ये।
तो मेरी तरफदारी भी तो करो, इंटरव्यू में सिर्फ इनकी तरफदारी कर रहे हो।
आपसे पूछ रहा हूँ व्हाट इज द मोस्ट घनचक्कर थिंग यू हैव डन?
पैसे गिनना रोज। सेट पे जाके बस मेरा काम था कि मैं पैसे गिनती रहूं। फिल्म के रिलीज के पहले ही हमने पैसे गिनना शुरू कर दिया हैं। अच्छा मैं सच में बताऊं कि घनचक्कर चीज मैंने कौन सी की है?
शादी।
हाँ इनसे मैं
हाँ,
अभी
मैं मेरी बात ही कर रहा हूँ। आप क्या सोच रही थी?
मैं ना थोड़ी सी कंफ्यूज हो गई हूँ। घर में एक आदमी है,
मैं बाहर वाला हूँ।
बाहर एक
घर वाला,
आदमी है।
बाहर वाला।
सब कह रहे हैं कि मेरे से शादी की है, तो मुझे जरा मेरी याददाश्त खो रही है अभी।
ओके,
खो गई है।
खो गई है।
हाउ डज द याददाश्त get affected?
Because that's a very good question. We actually did a lie detector test जो हमने परसों किया था, और मेरी बीवी सोचती रहती है कि इसकी याददाश्त गई नहीं है। इसने पैसे कहीं रखे हैं, और जिन डाकुओं के साथ इसने बैंक लूटा है उसने इन लोगों को कहा है कि उसको पता नहीं पैसे कहाँ रखे हैं। But she feels that he has not lost his memory and he is playing everyone,
Yeah.
including her.
Okay.
But yeah, then you'll find out in the end who the idiot is.
So you guys kissed in the movie?
किस
I kissed the miss.
You kissed the miss?
Yeah, Mrs.
And she
actually.
missed the kiss.
And kissed the missus.
Okay. Did this movie, because of the way Vidya is in the movie, did it motivate you to go beyond your kissing image? Because it's more exciting
I don't
things
think I've
beyond
gone
kissing,
beyond
right?
that. I think that definitely somewhere lingers on in this film.
Yeah.
But I can tell you this much, that there was a lot of material that we had before Vidya got married, and then post that we had to do with a lot of stuff.
हर बात पे मेरा रेपुटेशन खराब कर
Marriage
रहे
in the
हो।
movie or your marriage in the movie?
Marriage in the movie नहीं, marriage के बाद actually
Okay.
जो कुछ हुआ था
When she
लेकिन
actually
real
got
life
married.
marriage के बाद फिर हमने
फिर
Oh, when you actually got married.
हाँ फिर मेरी एक और शादी हुई।
फिर objections थे घर पे?
मुझ पे
क्या?
बहुत सारे
बहुत
objections
सारे
थे, और फिर राज पे बहुत सारे objections थे, और फिर इसके बाद जो
मेरे पे
राज तो बेचारा रो रहा है अभी एडिट में।
मे- writing, and Raj and Parvesh Sheikh have written this story and screenplay together. It derives from real people, real situations.
Yeah.
You know, so it's very identifiable. It's very relatable. The nook jhok that keeps happening
Not
between.
many people would have broken their beds.
Oh,
you
so
have
you
no
think?
idea.
Yeah.
Mine is broken a couple of times.
Yeah, really? In real life?
Yeah, then I had to just go for the floating bed.
Yeah. But that's very interesting. I mean, how did
Yeah.
it break?
Well, because Neetu likes to.
No, we're talking real life.
See?
Got you.
Don't.
See, I backtrack.
Got you.
I backtrack.
इनके चेहरे पर मत जाना।
Yes, the
यही
wife is
सब-
standing at home with a jhadu in her hand.
ये सबको घनचक्कर बना रहे हैं।
You guys kissed in the movie?
That's what I was
We
coming
don't kiss
to.
and tell.
That's what I was. No, I'm not going to answer that way. I never layered.
Yeah.
Kind of censor it.
Say what you have to.
You see, we had shot a substantial amount of stuff in the film, which we had to do away without, because that's why Raj is a bit upset post her marriage.
Yeah.
We had to water it down.
Rubbish. What, Siddharth? What are you accusing him of
Not him,
nothing.
you.
Yeah. So you had to edit some stuff
No,
because
I'm just kidding. It's there. I think it goes with the script. It's intimacy between the two characters. There's a husband and wife, and it's tastefully done. Is that the right answer?
I don't know.
Diplomatic as
I
it
just
could
said
get.
we don't kiss and tell.
We don't kiss and tell. We'll have to find out.
Yeah,
Find
please
out.
find out.
But you won't be disappointed.
I'm sure I would.
You will
I
definitely.
like the
You
kind
won't
of-
miss the kiss.
Yeah. Okay.
Kiss.
I kissed the miss.
You kiss the miss.
Yeah, misses actually.
And she missed the kiss.
And kiss the misses.
Okay. You know, most people take the regular, populous, glamorous route to popularity. For example, both of you have taken very different routes. Like you took an absolutely different route, and you created your own popularity, and so did you, your own barometer. Like, was that deliberate, or because you felt you couldn't compete with the existing norms of what is popular?
Oh yeah, please go for it.
I just got offers and then I just steered it that way because you get offers and then you have to do your best at that. And sometimes they make you conform to what actors do in the industry, which you have to stay clear of because you're not the traditional mold.
Yeah.
So I think they also see that as a weakness. They don't count you in the league of the actors
Extraordinary
and
gentlemen.
extraordinary gentlemen in the industry. But you have to carve your own niche, and it's very tough because you get a lot of criticism for that. But eventually, I think if you just stick to it, I think eventually you get your due. And it's more empowering then because it's something that's that no one can do, and it's
did it
very
your way.
exclusively to your brand, and you've done your own kind of cinema and your choice of films that no one else does, that no one touches, and then that becomes your biggest strength.
Like
I
the
think
Elvis
that's-
Presley song, "I Did It My Way."
Yeah, and I
You
think that's
always
true to her also.
did it-
I think the
you
way
always
she's
did it
done
your way.
Yeah, I never really thought of what people felt of it being. No one actually can carve that roadmap out for you, and you can't follow anyone else's roadmap. I think eventually you have to, have your own journey.
Like you did too.
Yeah, initially, not initially, I came in being very self-assured, but in between, I just felt this pressure to conform. And that was when I think I got a tight slap and I was like woken up.
Yeah.
There was a reality check and I said, when I'm trying to conform, I'm failing miserably.
Yeah.
So maybe I should just remain myself and then whatever happens, happens,
Yeah.
And I think things just started working out for the better when I decided to just be myself, do the kind of work that excited me. I'd say I'm not even really aware of the ways and rules.
It makes you doubt your own talent at times, right?
It had at that point of
Yeah.
time, but I'm so glad I went through that phase because that period is really non-negotiable.
Rap on the knuckles.
Yeah, it gave me
Yeah.
great clarity, which I wouldn't have had if I hadn't gone through that.
Yeah.
So-
it really it was
Yeah,
a wake-up
it's-
call for both of you. Like,
Yeah.
I'm going to do this my way, or because I have
Or
the
the
talent.
highway.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Yep, I guess so.
Has marriage changed anything for you?
No, not at all.
Yeah?
Actually, maybe.
Yeah.
It's made me happier.
Yeah. God bless.
Thank you.
The one thing you love about him the most.
Excuse me. Why is it about him? Do this interview. It's about Ghanchakar and me. One thing I love about him
Yeah.
the most,
His inner being.
his inner being. Andar ka janwar.
I'm going to now ask you my quick fire round. So Imran, I'll begin with you.
Yes.
Married life or bachelor's life?
Married life.
अभी वो बोलना ही पड़ेगा.
Yeah, obviously, what do you want to say? You want to get grilled for saying bachelor? What?
Yeah. Get a chance to forget something from your past. What would it be?
My bad films, my flop films.
When was the last time a carpenter visited your house?
Yesterday, actually.
Yeah.
I also wore the night suit in the film yesterday at home.
You did?
Yes, I did. Now we have the floating beds at home. There's something going on here.
Yeah.
I don't know. Is there a floor above this?
There's
Yeah.
a carpenter next door.
The ceiling is making noises. There's a carpenter here.
If on the first night your partner forgets that she's just married to you, what will be your reaction?
I would call her Ghanchakar and deport her.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll be very ruthless with her. How can she forget me?
One actress who's a very good kisser.
Can I hear someone laughing?
Yeah.
The walls here are pretty thin, man.
People crack up.
That's the carpenter next door.
Okay, there's a carpenter
He's
next door.
waiting.
He's a very vicious carpenter.
Yeah, yeah.
It's like Dracula, the voice of Dracula. I think
Yeah, yeah. puts a soul into it.
You know, you better make sure this channel is disconnected from your set-top box at home, because I want to do more UTV films.
One gun chakkar thing you've done with your heroine.
Nothing. I've been very sweet to her throughout this film. Very sweet to her. She holds this against me that I don't laugh at a couple of her jokes.
Now your turn. Yeah. What about Siddharth attracted you to him most?
The person he is.
Yeah, a bit spicy, na?
So he's saying his inner being, whatever that means.
अंदर का जानवर.
अंदर का जानवर.
The animal inside. Unleash the animal.
The one thing you love about him the most.
One thing I love about him the most?
His inner being.
His inner being. Andar ka janwar. The one thing I hate about him the most.
What?
His inner being.
अंदर का जानवर. Which film of his is your favorite?
A film in the making. His inner being.
God.
Andar ka janwar.
Come on, what the hell, yeah? Just answer the questions properly.
One thing you want to change about him.
Who's him? Are you asking about his husband or are you asking about me?
His inner being.
Okay.
His inner being. Andar ka janwar.
The weirdest controversy you heard about yourself.
The weirdest controversy I've heard about myself is that I've fallen for Andar ka janwar.
When was the last time a carpenter visited your house?
जब अंदर का जानवर हावी हुआ तब. That's the sequel of अंदर का जानवर.
If on your first night your partner forgets that he's married to you, what will be your reaction?
I'll say I wish you had forgotten after the first night. Variety is the spice of life.
One gun chakkar thing you've done with your partner.
Playing with अंदर का जानवर.
Oh, God.
How did you play with अंदर का जानवर?
His inner being.
God.
Soul connect.
Quit playing games with my heart.
You like जानवर basically.
You obviously figured that out through this interview.
Yeah. I have a feeling that you guys have gone completely crazy.
You know, Raj is ready to
Today-
us mad and up the wall.
Yeah.
Literally. I don't know where he is. He's not doing interviews for this film?
I want to tell you that today when I see Siddharth at home, I'll forget his name.
Think of
and
an
say,
animal.
"Andar ka janwar."
Say, I want to connect with your inner being.
Oh, God.
Yeah, but I think people when they watch this movie after this interview, it was crazy fun. They're going to say, what the gun chakkar?
Yeah, you can see what we've been going through. What we've been
अगर
subjecting
आप
us.
चाहते हैं कि आप अपने अंदर के जानवर से मिले
तो आके
फिर
देखिए राजकुमार गुप्ता की
गन
चक्कर.
Thank you guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.